gnocchi, bring a pot of water to a rapid boil, then simmer. Add potatoes and cook until tender, about 20 to 25 minutes. When cooked, take out and peel the skin. Add to a sheet tray and place in the oven to dry for about 5 minutes. Add the potatoes to a ricer and squeeze. Add flour. Make a well in the center. Add egg, Parmesan cheese, and a good pinch of salt. Bring everything together and knead until dough forms a ball, and do not over-knead. Now slice and roll into a rope. Using a knife, cut into 1-inch long pieces. Here I'm using a gnocchi board. This helps to shape and add texture, which allows the gnocchi to hold more sauce. Add the gnocchi to boiling water and cook until they float, about 1 to 2 minutes. Add olive oil to a pan. Add the gnocchi and cook until golden brown.